Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, ayan guys, ay nandito tayo ngayon sa mall dito sa Bahrain. So ikot muna tayo dito sa mall nila dito guys. Ito tayo sa taas. Check natin. So ang aga kong gumala 10:14, pero open na yung mall nila dito sa Bahrain guys. Ayan, so kasi kaya ako pumunta dito guys kasi pupunta ako sa aquarium nila dito. So since parang hindi pa siya open, and ayan, libutin muna natin ang kanilang mall. So dito na tayo sa pinakataas, and then mainit pala dito. Ayan, perfect, maraming tambayan dito. Extraordinary that they are. Ayan, parang magandang view doon. Parang magandang view sa labas guys. Ayan, doon muna tayo sa labas. Parang ano lang din dito guys, parang Dubai Mall. Parang Dubai Mall lang din dito. Ayan, so Winston. Parang gusto ko pumunta doon sa labas. Ayan. So pero ang aga nila mag-open, 10, 9:30 nandito na ako kanina. So kampay muna ako dito guys. Ito tayo sa labas. Marasi Gallery pala to guys. Marasi Gallery. Ayan. Ayan, Marasi. Entrance gate 5. Marasi Gallery. Ganito pala dito. So actually guys, bago lang tong mall na ito, sabi nila. So salt, ayan, ikutin natin. Perfect ang view. Ayan guys, so maganda dito paghapon. Maganda dito paghapon guys, pero pag mga ganitong oras, mainit. Kasi nga, di ba? Mainit pag ganitong oras. Pero ang perfect ko, white sun. Eye close. Wala naman dyan. Ayan guys, init. Marasi Gallery, Fridays. Ayan, so samahan nyo ako guys na mag-explore dito sa Bahrain. Ayan, so I just came from Saudi Arabia, and pumunta lang ako dito guys para mag-explore, para maglabas ng sama ng loob kasi I was heartbroken. Heartbroken. Joke lang guys, hindi ako heartbroken. So ayan, maganda tumambay dito pag gabi actually. See, pero picture muna tayo guys. So nakabay na tayo guys ng ticket pa aquarium. So meron tayong discount, 50% discount dahil may kilala tayo dito. Ayan, so mag-aquarium muna tayo under zoo dito sa Bahrain. Ayan guys, so ang ano niya bayad dito is 9 Bahrain dirhams. Dinar pala din. Pero naka-discount tayo. So naging 450 na lang. Ano siya, gold. Sana ba yun? Dito. Gold. Ayan, so pasok tayo guys. Kuya, papasok.
Ay, sige.
Pwede magdala ng bag.
Opo, pwede po.
This is just personal use.
Yeah, personal use. Thank you. Welcome to aquarium guys. Enter to the tunnel. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Wala namang isda. Wala namang isda, guys. Dito tayo ngayon, guys, sa aquarium. Brain. Wala po. Nocturnal po.
So this is all freshwater fishes, river fishes. This one from Amazon.
Amazon po.
Opo. So
Okay.
yan, catfish. So we have two kinds of catfish po. Ito at saka the right tail over there. And we have the prehistoric fish, the alligator gar. So,
Yun po.
Opo, when dinosaur exists, nag-exist na din po yan. So it can live for almost 1 century. So the female alligator gar can live 96 years and the male can live 30 to 50 years. And this is bako fish. This is a family of piranha fish but the harmless one. So we feed this vegetable like lettuce, carrots, broccoli po.
Saan yung fish feeding?
Dito po, meron pa kayong ticket?
Meron.
Ah.
Wait lang. So, get po na tayo, guys.
These virgin jungles, often described as the Earth's lungs, are being stripped at an alarming rate. Join us as we explore the climate change.
So, mamaya na. Sige po.
Yes, we can go for behind the scenes as
And
well.
Ely continues to eat.
There will be just little bit smell here, then after that it will be okay. So there is only just little smell here and after that it will be okay. So we will just move to our first area of our behind the scene. So this is our laboratory and here we grow our own jellyfishes. So you can see we have 3 different stages of jellyfish. So this is stage 1, 2 and 3. So first stage is polyp, second is ephira, third is medusa. And after this the jellyfish they will grow bigger in size. So normally we call them moon jellyfish and for them their maximum lifespan is 1.5 years. After that they will just dissolve in the water.
jellyfish, how much am I selling it?
Yes, all baby jellyfish, no, all baby jellyfish. Yes, what happened? Let's go.
She wants fish.
Fish, let's go, we will see the fish. So this is our diving area and every day 3:30 our divers they go inside, they feed the shark. 3:30 they feed the sharks and every other big fish in this tank. And Tuesday is the fasting day for the fishing. Tuesday we don't feed the tank. Yeah, one day we have to let them fast. So now I will guide you to our ground floor, but be careful of the steps. These are all the new fishes that they are brand new. So they are under observation and after few weeks observation we will keep them outside. So we have to check if they are in healthy condition. Like they are free of infection, bacteria or any disease. And once they are okay, after 2-3 weeks observation we keep them outside. So all the fishes they have to go through this procedure. So now I will show you baby turtle. So here there is a baby stingray. Can you see there is a baby stingray? This one. A baby stingray. So thank you very much. The fish feeding is on the right side. Just show them the ticket, they will guide you.
Saan magpapakain natin? Dito?
Opo, yan colorful po.
Ah, parang gusto ko.
At saka ito sa'yo. At saka doon po sa dulo po.
Itong colorful po dito.
Oo.
Parang gusto ko.
Sige, bigyan na kita ng dalawa. Ito po ha. One dyan, one sa kabila. Then pagkatapos niyo po, bigyan niyo sa akin yung container.
Sige po.
So, sir, the fish you will gonna feed is the colorful fishes. Yes, and the last pack. And that one, sir, in the corner in the right side.
So, mag-fish feeding muna tayo.
Once you're done, just give me back. Oh, doon po sa taas po. May elevator po doon, sir.
Dito ate.
Tapos mamaya, 3:30, may picking dyan. Yung driver, papasok sa Yes, sir.
So, mag-fish feeding tayo guys. Fish feeding. Dito. Feed natin to guys. tayo dito ngayon sa aquarium. And ngayon ay coffee break muna. Kasi nga, ayan, kapagod din. So, hintayin natin yung mag-fish feeding sila. 3:30 na. So, hintayin natin. Saka nagcha-charge din ako, guys. Lobat yung watch ko.
Ay, hello po.
Hello
Opo
po.
kayo doon.
Pa?
Opo po kayo doon sa harap. Nakapag-charge ka po?
Opo. Tapos na guys, basta kapag-ikot dito, so uwian na. Uwian na guys, bye-bye. Pahinga muna tayo guys. Ayan, so nakapag-debut na naman tayo dito sa Bahrain guys. And tapos na tayong nag-aquarium. So mamaya uwian na. Pahinga lang saglit guys. Bye.